Okay, today we're talking about window blinds. So here are some factors to consider before purchasing your window blinds. What is your budget? Do you want vertical blinds or horizontal blinds? How many blinds do you need? Are you doing just one window or multiple windows? Are you doing a really large, long window that might require multiple sets of blinds to cover the entire window? What color do you want? What material? Wood, vinyl, faux wood, aluminum, fabric? Do you want blackout blinds? So if these are for your bedroom, and at nighttime you want to be able to close the blinds and block out any light from outside, you might want to consider blackout blinds. Do you want standard blinds or do you want motorized blinds? They make blinds today that you can control with your smartphone even. Do you want corded or cordless? Cordless blinds are like these pictured here, where there is no cord to pull the blinds up and down. And what is your mounting orientation for your situation? Are they going to be mounted inside the window opening, outside the window opening? Are they going to be attached on top or sides of the window opening? And are you going to install them yourself or hire a professional? So once you decide on the color and type of blinds you want in your budget and how many blinds you need to measure the inside height of your window opening and the inside width of your window opening when you're installing blinds on the inside of a window opening like we are in this demonstration. So here's what the mounting brackets look like. There's different sizes and shapes depending on the manufacturer and make and model you purchase, but they're fairly similar. Like in this one, there's two large holes. That allows you to put your screwdriver or your driver bit through the bracket to drive the screws into the structure of the window opening. You can see there's multiple hole options depending on if you're going to mount these to the side of the window opening, the top of the window opening, etc. And then that little hinge door just flips down and clips shut. Some of them are handed. You'll note this one says RH. So this is a right-hand bracket, and then the one that says LH would be for the left-hand side of the window. So you will want to read and follow the manufacturer's installation instructions, but basically you're going to measure and mark where you need to drill your holes, drill your pilot holes for these mounting brackets. And then once you have your pilot holes, you go ahead and attach the brackets to the structure of the window opening with the provided screws that came with the brackets. You can see here I've already measured and marked and installed the two mounting brackets for this window. Install the blinds in the mounting brackets and close the little covers. Now for safety, you can install these little plastic cleats. You screw them to the wall, and it allows you a place to wrap the cord around, especially around children. Great safety option. And if you're installing blinds on a door like this, there's these little hold down brackets you see here in the corners, and they screw to the door. They look like this, and those prevent the blinds from banging back and forth or moving around when you open and close the door. And just to show you what exterior mounted blinds look like on a window, here you go. If you got any value out of this video, please consider subscribing. It helps the channel move up in the YouTube algorithm. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.